To turn on comments or allow comments on your YouTube video, you can follow these steps. Log into your YouTube account, click the sign in button in the upper right corner. After that, enter the email account ID and password related to your YouTube channel and access your YouTube channel. I have made 3 YouTube channels, so I select my active YouTube channel here. If you have one YouTube channel here, it will be automatically selected and logged in. After logging into your YouTube account, and go to the Creator Studio. After going to the dashboard of your YouTube channel, select your video content from here. Then select the video or all your videos that you want to comment on. Select the checkbox on the video you want to comment on. If you want to select all videos, you can select all videos by selecting the checkbox above the video. Click on the Edit button next to the video. Scroll down to the Comments section. Toggle the switch next to Allow Comments to turn comments on. You can also choose to moderate comments by selecting the option to hold all comments for review, or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Now click on the Update Video button and save your new settings. That's it. Now your viewers can leave comments on your video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube tutorials.